So how do we use essential oils? Essential oils can be used in three main ways. The biggest and the most easiest way to access is aromatic use of essential oils. The simplest way for that is to open up a bottle and inhale the aroma. Essential oils are volatile aromatic compounds, so as soon as we open that bottle, the aroma comes out and we can benefit from that aroma. One of the other great ways to do it is to put a couple of drops of essential oil into the palm of your hands, gently rub your hands together, and take 3 deep inhalations. This is a natural diffusing process. For many of us, we like to use a diffuser in our home or in our car or our work environment to get the best benefit of the oils. So something such as the one behind me here, you can add your essential oils into water, plug it in, and this will diffuse a fine mist of the essential oils into the air. One of the great things about the modern diffusers is that they don't heat the essential oils. So therefore there's no changes to the chemical constituency or compounds, and we get the benefit that they're intended to give us. Now, one of the second ways to use essential oils is topically. That means using the oils on our skin. One of the important things to note here is that it really is a case of less is more when it comes to essential oils. And it is vital that we dilute the oils to get the best properties from them, but also to protect our skin and sensitivity. So the rule of thumb is always dilute your essential oils, especially if you're using them around children or adults or people with sensitive skin. And there's a dilution chart included in the handouts. So when you're using essential oils topically, what you'll do is you will add a small element of the essential oil into some form of carrier. So in many cases, we would use a carrier oil, something such as fractionated coconut oil, which will help to dilute the strength of the oil and ease the absorption onto the skin. This doesn't dilute the effectiveness, but it does help to aid the pace that the oil is absorbed into the skin, and also helps to ensure that sensitivity protection. Another way that you can apply oils topically is in some other form of carrier. So you may decide to add them to a natural unscented moisturizer, will then be able to be moisturized and applied into your skin. So you're getting that soothing, emulsifying benefit plus the benefits of the essential oils. Now, the third way that essential oils can be used is internally as a food additive or in a supplement form. Internal use of essential oils is very much a personal choice. When the essential oils are added into supplementation, then that is a great way to get the benefits of the essential oils on a daily basis. They can also, if you are using certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils, as we've discussed, they can be used as a food flavoring and supplement. And in some cases, if you are happy to do so, essential oils can be used internally. It's vitally important when using essential oils internally, however, that you follow the directions on the bottles and are very cognizant of the potency of the essential oils and seek to, in many cases, use them in a veggie capsule or be aware of how you're taking those oils internally for your own benefit. Okay, enjoy.